Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. And this case is made by Spigen. It's the Core Armor case. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now you can get this case from Best Buy. I didn't see this on Amazon. I did look for it, but I didn't see it on Amazon. $20. It's a pretty good case. Fits the phone pretty well. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. This is the box that comes in. Gives you a little preview of the case. Ultra 5G Core Armor. Web pattern, air cushion design. Slip through box right there. Now here's the actual case. You see you got a little bit of a pattern. You got some grooves in the back and it's pretty grippy. So that's pretty good. It's not smooth. But it's got nice detail, nice shiny band going around here. Camera bump is raised right there. You can see that. It's kind of finished. It's got a little gloss around it. Got a band going around the bottom here, and you got a different pattern right here with the Spigen branding right there. Nothing on the left side there, and you got your power button and your bottom down rocker. You can see through those. Mic hole right there, and you got your cutout for your mic, your charging port, speaker, and your S Pen, which is on the left side right now. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and put the phone inside, see what it looks like. Okay, here's the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. We're going to go ahead and put this inside. Put the bottom in first, and slip the top in. Now it fits pretty snug. If you squeeze hard enough, you will get a little bit of movement on the sides. Not too bad though. It's not a deal breaker. It's manageable. Let me get rid of that. But it lines up. It fits pretty well. Slim and sleek, but you still get some protection. You're not going to have a lot of protection like an OtterBox we can throw across the room, but it's still pretty good. Now the camera is raised up, as you can see right there, so you're going to have some protection there for the camera. And you got your mic hole right there. This lines up pretty good. And you got your S Pen, your speaker, charging port, and your mic hole. And that gets to the S Pen pretty easily. It's got adequate space there. Power button works pretty well. No problem. The buttons are clicky. It's a good case, and I think it'll give you good protection for minor drops and scratches without adding too much bulk, and it feels good in the hand. All right. Okay, we're gonna put it on the wireless charger. I'm sure it's gonna work because that's what it does. Wireless charger works right there, no problem. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Spigen Core Armor case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Now you can get this at Best Buy. You can probably get it from the Spigen website, but I did not see it on Amazon. I will put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.